On today's episode of MotoCheez.
2 5/16. Guide me in.
Well.
Oh.
Hey, look at that. Don't play games with me, Ty. Put that steering wheel over here where it belongs and get this out of here. I got it, Judge.
Why you tell me to go to that door?
Well.
Probably good there. You're alright.
Huh. Oh yeah, I need to wait on that. Oh my god.
Your front end lifted up yet?
My back end lifting off?
Back end.
Holy cow. That's a good test for it though. Oh my god. Mini. Looks like there's a little air in them tires. I'd like to get this trailer back up and running again eventually. Maybe we should push it right back in here. Like there's no dead trees. That one already broke off and broke our other trailer. Well, let's see what she's got. See if we rip the front end off. Come on, Mini. It is.
Really?
Yeah. Wow. That was a tug, boy. Oh my god. Wow. There's quite a bit of weight still on there.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is probably a good spot. You think my welds are good now then? Let's see if I pull down my... No. They're good. I was wondering if it would have pulled on these pretty tight, you know? I mean, I always wondered if I was going to have to put a bigger flat plate across. And that was like all I had. You could see pulling.
Yeah.
Damn, Mini. What a workhorse. Amazing. We'll clip all this shit back. That thing weighs a pretty good amount of money, but I want to put that on the back, whatever little steel I got, and we'll run that over to the scrap and get rid of that. This thing's been back here a long time. That's good, just to balance it. Alright, that, I believe this is 1 7/8 inches. I guess guide me.
That's what she said. Ha.
Yeah, you ain't moving that, it's in the ground. Ooh, I guess I got a flat. Oh well. Well, I tell you one thing. The good thing I put this rubber thing, one of those,
I heard it whack.
the trailer frame, actually still looks pretty damn good, doesn't it? For this thing. Randy's all loaded up. Ready to go to the dump. The dump to the dump to the dump. Yeah, they need a little bit of air. They're a little squatty. Yeah, that one looks a little worse because it's on a hump there. You can feel the weight though.
Yeah.
Feel it? Look.
Holy shit, yeah. Tail's wagging.
Oh yeah, that's when you know the tires are squatting. Come on, Mini. See the light, you can't see him.
3280. Green light.
Alright, green light. 3280?
Yeah.
No way. This only weighs 1,500 pounds. Well, it might be 16 something. You like this big hauler? There's a couple pieces of aluminum, but most of it, like there's a big tire machine you see there, and mostly steel.
We could do steel first, just so I can see how much tin there is at the end.
All right.
So steel's gonna go right there.
Go, Mini.
Come back, come back, come back, come back. Come back, stop.
See how she dumps? Homemade. See it? The whole thing.
The whole dump is homemade.
The whole dump is homemade. Pull forward. All right.
How many cars do you have?
How many cars? I had 2 of these. I sold 1.
Oh.
These are fun. They do all right.
Yeah.
You had one of these on the top last time I dumped.
Yeah.
Remember that?
Yeah.
I wanted that. I should have asked for it. Oh.
Because your camera's in a different spot than mine.
Right.
$32.80 to $2,500.
Yeah, that ain't much. Less than I thought. What's up? How you doing? Oh man, it's all different. Good. You changed everything up.
Yeah.
$46.80 total because I got 6 cents a pound. I thought it was more than that for steel. I guess it isn't now. So that was like 9 cents. Now here you can take half since you did half.
Good tonight.
Eating good tonight. What can we get for 26 bucks?
I got a four-wheeler.
Yeah, but you ain't, look at it's got heat, windows, wipers. It's like a UTV. Look, it's got a dump on it.
Listen, you ain't selling to me, man. So I'm trying to sell it to me.
You don't have enough money to buy this. I don't sell these.
I thought you most of the boats or something.
I make videos, but I don't sell them.
Hey,
All right, man. That's not bad. 800 pounds almost.
Yeah.
Something's not right with their scales. There ain't no way this thing's 2,000 pounds now.
No.
No way. It was 1,500, and I probably put 300 pounds worth of steel. I wouldn't think it'd be much more than that. So just a quick update. Stainless steel. A friend of mine gave me a hunk of that. Door edge guard around it. I took the LEDs off the front, put them on the back. Notice you can't see through that window anymore. You know why? She tinted. Limo tint, but not the real dark stuff. I think it was 95, not 98. You want to see them working? Definitely don't want to come behind me with your high beams. I said we'll have to see if this is going to be worthwhile. Got a load of tires, copper, motor copper, batteries, aluminum, going to the salvage, $4 a piece. Here, $5 a piece at my local recycle. Minnie's earning her keep. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I got 14. What'd you get?
14.
14? Tires first, and then I got batteries, copper, and aluminum.
Sounds good. How you doing?
Good.
How's it like? A 3-cylinder, eh?
Yeah, right-hand drive, 3-cylinder. It works good. Not too fast, but you know.
That's good. Automatic, what's that?
4-speed, but it's got high-low, 4-wheel drive. It's got a lock and rear different axle. He likes it.
Yeah.
Wow, almost 100 pounds in batteries. Over. Look at that. Exactly. Yeah, exactly 100 pounds of batteries. That's crazy. I don't know. You want to do the motor copper first, and then we have like the other type of copper, like pipe.
Yeah.
So that's 56. Yeah. And then we'll do dirty copper. 56, number 1. Okay. And then aluminum.
Oh, you got a little bit for you?
Yep. So that was pretty good. $160.88. So we got 100 pounds of batteries is worth $22. Wow, number 1 copper, $106.
Almost $2 a pound.
Holy cow, that was pretty good. So definitely counteracted that. So most of this was actually your money. It was $56 to turn the tires in, but we got to come back with more tires. So yeah, that's pretty good. I guess I'll give you here $120.
Thank you.
Because you're the one that had all the copper thrown back there.
Yeah, and I loaded the whole thing.
Yeah, and you loaded all of it, so. I helped. I put that one pipe in there.
Yeah.
How come you don't want to use your gloves I gave you? Cheesy and Son. Ready, Minnie? So this is $60 worth of tires. 15 tires on the second trip.
We got more tires. Look at all those road signs.
Wow.
You want to pick one?
Huh. Longfellow, hey? I could use that. You got to stack them anyway in there?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah. Ooh, after all that work, I'm hungry. Every job needs a good supervisor.
Yeah, you apparently didn't put one of the new cover sheets on your TPS reports.
Yeah.
Yeah, you hear the air leak. I thought I ran something over. Hear it?
Yep.
56 and 60.
It's 116. Made 160.
160, yeah, so it was a positive anyway.
$44.
Not bad. Worth it. Get you some premium next time there, Minnie.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products to use are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.
Ring the fucking bell, you pansy.